Hey, welcome friends, Larry here. I'm your host on Larry's Fountain Pen Review, and today's review is sponsored by Pen Boutique. I reached out to Lena because I needed some help with some of the ink that Montblanc has just come out with. When I saw the ink, I just said, that looks like some awesome ink. So Lima sent me the bottle of Montblanc. Here it is. Around the World in 80 Days Blue. And this, as you see the color on the box of Montblanc, that's pretty much the color of the ink you're going to be getting. So I'm going to show you a sample I put on a swatch of a Robert Orser on one of his swatches, and then on some Rhodia, and then the other paper is, Mr. Announcer?
A Yush.
Okay, which you can find this notebook paper over at Federalist Pens and Paper. So, okay. So here we go. First, let me show you. This is what it looks like. I done this a few days ago. Okay. And let's get her out of the bottle. I do love the Montblanc bottle, the caps, everything about it. Just awesome ink as far as I'm concerned. You know, I think, in my opinion, you get what you pay for. So let's go ahead and put it on the notebook paper first. Beautiful color. Beautiful color. Then on the Rhodia notepad. I'm just in love with this paper. And then in a minute I'll do a writing sample. And while that's working, this is the Montblanc 149 with a broad nib with the rose gold trim. Just a beautiful color. You know, the rose gold would be my first choice. Second choice would be the gold trim, and then of course the third choice, the silver trim would be nice. But this is my favorite of all colors right here. And I asked Lima, I needed a broad nib, so she got me one. So I have a which I will show you later. I have two other 149s. One was given to me by one of my subscribers. It's a vintage 1990 14K gold nib, which I really love. It has a little bounce to that nib. And then another one, I bought my first 149 over at Anderson's Pens with the help of Brian Anderson, which I do thank you. And so I reached out, and then bam, I couldn't do any of this without the support of Pen Boutique. I think it kind of works both ways, hand in hand, okay? So, with that said, the pen is awesome. But, you know, what led me to the 149 Montblanc? Well, if you keep up with my videos, I had the, and which I still use today, the Jinhao 159. And I love that pen so much. That is one cool fountain pen in my opinion. Under $7, you can get a real nice pen with some weight to it, which I like. A fat, girthy pen. But what I like about the 159 is it uses a number 6 nib. And I have several that I can change the nibs out, which I've already done, to different nibs, which is a lot of fun and affordable. So that led me to the Montblanc 149, and the rest is history. So before we get started with the writing, it should be dry enough. And we'll look at the other side, and this paper held it very well. As you can see, good job. Good paper. And on the Rhodia, You can see a little see-through, but did a good job. But this one did even better. So, let's get to writing. Oh, good day. This is the Montblanc. And this is a round. Beautiful. And this is blue. Little wet test here. I'm doing the double shot, the pen and the ink. So, what do I think about the pen? Totally awesome. Totally. I'm a big Montblanc fan. So that done real well. Love the color of this ink. Beautiful. A beautiful writer with beautiful ink. It's a win-win. Downstroke and the cross stroke. So there you have it. So, what's your thoughts on the Montblanc Around the World in 80 Days Blue? If you're needing some ink, check out Pen Boutique. They got a whole line of different colors of Montblanc they carry in stock. If you're looking for a totally different color or a certain Montblanc pen with a certain nib, you might want to give Lima a call, or one of her staff will be there on hand to help you, and they will see what they can do for you. But I'm pretty sure if Montblanc carries it still, they can probably get it for you. So give them a shot. I mean, you can't go wrong. Thank you again to Lima, Pen Boutique, the staff, everybody at Pen Boutique, from the front of the store all the way to the back, where I think his name is Dan, maybe, that does the packing back there. You go, team. Thank you very much. With that said, God bless. Have a great day. Hey, a lot of peace and a lot of love. Be nice. Be kind to somebody when you're out there. Doesn't take a lot, and it doesn't cost you a red cent. Right? Right. By the people bonding together, we can stand for justice. We can do the right thing. Peace, love, and don't text, don't drive. Bye-bye.